Welcome! Today we are touring a gorgeous home located in an exclusive part of Park City known as Promontory. Big Canyon Homes has created this house surrounded with spectacular mountain views. The striking outdoor features invite you inside to enjoy a 6,800 square foot open floor plan with 5 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. The stunning windows provides ample natural light to create a welcoming atmosphere with a very spacious living area. Step into the kitchen with its sleek, modern design features, including top-of-the-line appliances. The outdoor entertaining area includes plenty of space that fosters connection and relaxation to cultivate many happy memories. Some of my favorite features are the window design and the view and the outdoor entertaining area. Go ahead and drop me a comment on what your favorite features are. I will look forward to reading those comments. And meanwhile, I appreciate your support of me and my channel. So consider subscribing if you haven't done already so you don't miss out on future tours. And we release content frequently, just not only of tours, but of other things related to real estate and living in Utah. And make sure you check the subscription as well. We include other information that could be helpful in the description. And now sit back, relax, and enjoy this video that Big Canyon Homes